Hello guys, and welcome to the 10th part of this course in Python. So in this one we'll be talking about tuples. So a tuple is a type of data structure in Python which means it's a container that can store multiple value. For example, let's say first of all let's go ahead and create a new Python file, and let's name this tuples, and we could use a coordinates variable. So let's define a coordinate. Sorry, I'm not getting the spelling of that. So it's coordinates. Okay, now that's correct. Then we want to use a coordinate of 4 and 5. Like, these are numbers that don't change. Okay, let's go ahead and continue doing another thing. We want to print coordinates, and when we print this, we get, sorry, let's right click over here and run tuples. So we get 4 and 5. Now note, tuples are immutable, which basically means it cannot be changed, it cannot be modified or altered, just the way we do alter lists. And just the way we use some functions like .append, .extend, .pop, if you could still remember in list, .clear to clear the list, we cannot use functions to modify texts in tuples. We can use functions to modify data in tuples, so take note of that. Then we'll go ahead and practicalize that and see what we have here. So for example, let's change the coordinate of 1 to 10. If you could still remember in list, all we have to do is define the index of where it is, then assign a new number to it, and this is how you could do it. You could just say coordinate. You could say coordinates, then it's in 1, then we want to assign this to 10. So let's go ahead and print this. Now we should get an error. It says object does not support item assignment. It says tuple object does not support item assignment. But had it been this was a list, let's go ahead and change this to square brackets. Now let's run this. Automatically it changes 4 to 10 because this is a list, but in this case it's a tuple, and the way you know tuples are, they are going to be in parentheses. So when you run this now, we get an error again. So you can change tuples. That's pretty much it for tuples. This course is not going to be a long one. Tuples are pretty easy and straightforward. They are used to store values that are constant, that will never ever change, that won't be touched or altered or modified. So that's pretty much it for tuple, and hopefully you learned something new. If you did, give this video a like and consider subscribing for more future videos, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.